Hi, it's John with Vision Advisors, and welcome to another Insight with Vision. We're in week 3 of Life Insurance Awareness Month, September 2019. And I want to take just a moment to remind you as a financial professional of some misconceptions and misunderstandings, and oftentimes what's not thought of as far as the use of life insurance by your clients. You know, when we think about life insurance, most of your clients see life insurance as a tool in this particular scenario, the death of a loved one. Life insurance can be used to help pay those final expenses, to pay for health care expenses that may be incurred prior to the death of a loved one, as well as to leave some money behind for children, grandchildren, or surviving spouse, one of the common uses of life insurance. But one of the things that we find in having conversations with clients is they don't understand that life insurance can have significant other benefits at a variety of different ages. In fact, the opportunity to use life insurance at a very young age, even at the birth of a child, can do a number of unique things for that particular child, grandchild, niece, nephew, whatever the connection might be. It could be an opportunity to ensure that that individual has insurability for the rest of their lives by being able to purchase life insurance at a young age. The other powerful opportunity is the uniqueness of life insurance, especially cash value life insurance, with compounding on a tax-deferred basis. Life insurance is unique in the fact that money that's put into a cash value life insurance policy grows on a tax-deferred basis. So the money that's invested that goes into the cash value component grows on a tax-deferred basis. The interest that earns continues to grow on a tax-deferred basis, and the money that you would have paid in taxes continues to grow. So it can create some sizable dollars in the future to fund college education, to create a down payment for a home, or can create tax-free distributions later on down the road through policy loans to be able to provide and supplement income in retirement. As your kids begin to grow up and they get ready to leave home, oftentimes life insurance is that gift that you can give them, again, to get them started in their career. Whether they're in their early teens or their late teens, as they're transitioning into adulthood, getting them to think about those important decisions that you made along the way and helping them start a life insurance policy. Again, if you're using cash value life insurance and you're funding that with some sizable dollars, you can create through the internal growth of life insurance some unique opportunities to create funding down the road. But being able to teach your young daughters, your sons, your nieces, nephews, grandchildren, whatever it may be, the value of life insurance and the importance that they're going to need is something that is often missed in family planning. But one of the other unique benefits is the fact that when you're younger, premiums are lower. And if you can start a child at a younger age owning life insurance, they're going to be able to buy that at some of the least expensive premiums of their entire lives. And of course, when two individuals come together to create a couple in marriage, now we've got a situation where husband and wife have a need for life insurance on each other because they're probably going to be incurring some debt with the purchase of a home, maybe paying off student loans, some other financial obligations that could be problematic in the event one of those breadwinners is gone prematurely. So again, here's a unique opportunity to start the conversation about the need for life insurance, whether it's term insurance to cover a specific period of time, cash value life insurance, or a combination of the two, a great conversation to have. If you're a business owner, life insurance can be a powerful retention tool. In the event you have partners and at the death of a partner, you want to be able to buy that partner's stock out so that you can maintain control of the business and not have to deal maybe with family members that don't have experience in the business that you and your partner started together. Buy-sell agreements can be a powerful way to fund a buyout for a family member. You can also use key man insurance. You can use a variety of different tools and resources within the life insurance planning process to create opportunities to provide for income in the event a key employee dies prematurely and they're responsible for the income that generates your business. The ability to use life insurance to create funding for retirement for employees can be a powerful tool as well. And of course, many people don't realize the power of life insurance when it comes to planning for retirement. After an individual has maxed out their 401k or their 403b, wherever they may work, and they're looking for additional ways to fund retirement, Many people fail to think about the fact that the cash value buildup of life insurance over time can be quite significant. And those dollars can be used and accessed through policy loans, through distributions to be able to create income-favored retirement when it comes to the taxation aspect of it. Through policy loans, you can actually create tax-free distributions to help pay for retirement and to create additional funding as necessary. Many people don't realize today that many of the life insurance products sold allow you to access the death benefit prior to death. Through these accelerated death benefit riders, we can use life insurance to pay for chronic, critical care issues that may arise and create an additional funding source that might otherwise have been overlooked had we not started planning for those uncertainties. And the ability to sell living benefit life insurance has really taken on an amazing opportunity today to have a very unique conversation that the public, when they discover these benefits, tend to be very, very attractive to want to know more and to buy these types of solutions. And of course, one of the major reasons for life insurance is to make sure that at the death of the first spouse, oftentimes the husband, the wife who's going to outlive her husband on average 5 to 7 years, has a source of sustainable income to replace a Social Security check that may be lost, a pension that may have been lost. And the ability to provide life insurance to provide survivor income is a very powerful need and a very powerful reason to sell life insurance in the marketplace today. Of course, you can also use life insurance to leverage a gift to a nonprofit, whether it's a local church or a synagogue or a nonprofit organization like Red Cross or any of the other amazing 501c3 organizations that do so much in our community. Oftentimes, we see the use of life insurance used as an endowment to create dollars left to a university or a school that you are very, very much involved with and want to do something substantial to be remembered and to leave a legacy. Just like in planning with the charitable side of life insurance, you can do something very similar with institutions such as colleges and universities. But at the end of the day, life insurance is all about family. It's all about trying to discover how we can use life insurance to create peace of mind that in the event a family member were to die too soon, we can't replace the life, but we can replace the income that that life would have generated over the remainder of what was expected for life expectancy. The peace of mind it brings to families is something that can't be stated in words. It can only be experienced when a death has been lost. So these are a few ideas for life insurance that maybe will be some conversation starters for you with your clients during Life Insurance Awareness Month. If you've got other questions or if there's any way that we can be of service to you or to help you start those important conversations with your clients, give us a ring here at Vision Advisors. This is John Terry. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.